certain softwares that enable you to do your job, and there are certain softwares that enable you to do your job better. Adobe has come up with a suite of products that allows us to do our jobs better. Literally the first piece of software that we went out and purchased was Photoshop. Photoshop was a critical part of our arsenal. We had to design an entire world. I think it was really the foundation for the initial concept work. We also used Photoshop for some of the textures that actually ended up on the creatures and the characters. And we also utilized it for matte paintings that actually appear in the film. InDesign was something that both the art department and the production team used to create easy-to-read forms and manage the whole production. Lightroom was used to help us catalog the literally thousands of images.
And action!
As we moved into production, After Effects was used on the set quite a bit for us to quickly evaluate composites of live-action elements with CG elements.
Light 'em up!
Part of our process in virtual production included needing to see the performances of the actors. We used After Effects to do this, and it gave Jim the ability to actually see the performances of the actors in real time when he was working in the camera mode, creating all the shots for the film.
This is great.
It's a tool that we use from beginning to end. Premiere Pro became a tool that our internal visual effects department used quite a bit. There's a process where we can take AAF files from the Avid and bring those into Premiere Pro to actually create sequences of shots so they could see how one shot that they were working on played into a whole sequence. And this gave them the tools to do their job better. Acrobat Connect was something that allowed us to free up our artists. So when we were doing a shot recently, we had to get one of our artists back to our lab at Lightstorm. But he was able to connect to the set and work with them through the shots thanks to Adobe Connect. I think one of the great things about what Adobe does in their suite of products is they give you everything you need to complete your whole process, from concept to finish.